Smart, quick-fit connectors for 1 5/8-inch corrugated copper tube cables with foam dielectric are made for two-piece assembly. These are the tools used to assemble them. The flaring tool for 1 5/8-inch cables. The monkey wrench. The torque wrench with a 32mm insert. The metal saw. The measure. The knife. The stripping tool. The scraper. And the steel brush. The cable is cut off perpendicular to the cable axis in a corrugation trough. The cable jacket is stripped about 60 millimeters or 2.4 inches using the knife or the blue HUBER+SUHNER stripping tool. Stripping exposes 6 corrugations. The cable entry is unscrewed and pulled off. The cable entry is pulled over the cable to the stop, then pushed lightly so that it snaps into the next corrugation trough. The cutting gauge is pulled over the cable until it rests snug against the cable entry. The cable is cut by sawing along the gauge. Then, starting at one end, the gauge is removed. With the scraper, the inner conductor is thoroughly chamfered. Care is taken not to rip the copper tube. Now the cable end is trimmed using the flaring tool. The tool is turned clockwise until the outer conductor is smooth and the foam dielectric is separated from it. The wire brush helps to eliminate any remaining dielectric and metal swarf. After preparation, the cable end is smooth and clean. Next, the inner conductor lip seal is pushed more than 12 millimeters, about 1/2 inch, into the inner conductor tube. The connector head is pushed onto the cable entry by slightly oscillating it. While pressing the connector head towards the cable entry is manually tightened. Finally, the cable entry is tightened, applying a torque of 60 Newton meters or 44 foot-pounds. Care must be taken to turn only the cable entry. For correct assembly, 2 points are essential. The connector cannot be rotated on the cable, and the gap between the 2 parts of the connector must be approximately 1.5 millimeters or 0.06 inch.